Well, hang on.
We started.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Logie Bear here, and today, after a year, we are back with our first unboxing video of the Ready Cube, which is very old, in fact, actually. Anyways, here we go. So it's been a while. My subscribers have been DMing me, been messaging me. They really want a video. So because of you guys, I guess I'll come back with another video. Okay. Okay, so we're opening the packaging. So it's been a while since I've done this. Okay.
Look at this 4 cube.
First turns. Yeah. Ooh, that's nice. It's quite smooth. The buttery texture of the turning is quite nice. The corner cutting is quite nice. Whoa. Not bad. Hold up.
Is this fake or is this actually real?
Yeah, so that's around 12 degrees. Not bad. Let's try scrambling it, see how nice it is. So yeah, this is a very smooth cube, and I purchased it for $16.50 from speedcube.com.au. Highly recommend. Yeah. I haven't actually learned how to solve it yet, but this has been my video so far. I highly recommend picking it up. It's a good non-WCA fun puzzle for, like, I don't know, casual solving, but yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.